Divoom Ditto, coziness in your pocket or a portable Bluetooth speaker with a retro touch. So today I'm gonna review this incredibly cute tiny computer in detail, and I'll also try to help you prove to your parents or yourself that you absolutely need this little cutie. But let's start from the beginning, the unboxing. First of all, let's start with a cute iced tea, otherwise I'll just melt in the sun, and also to enhance the cuteness of the surroundings. I also wanted to say that I saw this little computer thousands of times on Instagram. I had it in my wish list for a while, but never actually found courage to buy one myself. So when Divoom contacted me and suggested sending it for review, I was just over the moon. This felt like a birthday present. And as you can see, I happily agreed. This little boy comes with a perfectly sized bag, which turns into an incredible gift for somebody or yourself. And some advertisement brochures, because after getting this boy, you'll totally want more of this stuff. If you think that I sound a bit too happy about this little cute thing, it's because I am. I'm crazy in love with this absolutely impractical thing. Just look at it. It comes with its own fridge, like Indiana Jones in the Fallout. Also, the fridge case has its beautiful soft handle. I absolutely love it, because this way you can easily grab this speaker and take it with you anywhere. Now you can bother people with your favorite music wherever you go. Nobody's safe. Or listen to your favorite crime story podcast and let others hear some of that murder investigation too. Because of the handle, it is also a very fancy accessory and a perfect conversation starter. I'm getting the computer out of its fridge and proceed to the most satisfying part: peeling all the protective plastic off. And here it is in all its glory and beauty. Oh, it's also a bit heavy, and the quality is amazing. The buttons are super satisfying and clicky. I'm getting a sip of tea, pressing the power button on the side for several seconds, and it turns on. I'm connecting it to the iPad via Bluetooth, downloading the Divoom app, signing up and logging in, adding the device, and start endlessly scrolling all the pixel art there is on this app. Endless amount of awesome pixel art made by other people. The stuff people upload there is just amazing. I can literally just scroll for hours. And if you can't find the art that would please your soul enough, you can always make one yourself right through the app. Here I've made this little cute and quite recognizable farm chicken. The process was extremely easy. Just choose the color and tap, 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 and the chicken is ready. I've saved it and now it's available for everybody. I also then animated the bird and turned it into the turquoise or aquamarine chicken for aesthetics. And at this point, I know you are very curious about the manual for this thing. Well, manual and cable are located under this thing inside, and it's written right there. And I found out about that after a month of using this boy. So yeah, I'm not quite very good at reading, apparently. Inside there is manual and some nice stickers. It's very helpful, but I've already found out how everything works, so Oh, I almost forgot about the USB-C cable. It's also right here. Try to stay hidden from me. Ha, gotcha. As for the sound, well, the volume level can be so loud that I'm scared to turn it on to its full potential. As I live at a hotel right now, and I'm afraid that all the neighbors are gonna rush into the room to know if somebody decided to throw a whole party in there. So I end up using almost the lowest level possible. The quality of the sound is nice, but I'm not a professional in this topic. I will be honest, I'm here just for the looks. Anyway, here is the tiny test. I've seen this computer before and I had no idea that it's actually the speaker until I got it myself. I thought it's just a cute looking thing, like a clock or something, because people obviously use it mostly for aesthetics. And let me tell you a bit about the main menu on this thing. You can play some music through Bluetooth or from SD card, which you can put inside of it. You can paint some random pictures. Set an hour clock. This thing, for some reason, to keep some scores, I guess. You can set timer. Find out how much noise you can make. Set an alarm. You can also play some games. And the games are next. The Grandma in Las Vegas. Almost D&D. Ask the Ball. Not very helpful, you know? Never mind. This lovely game with broken gravity laws for some reason. Where are you going? Why? Flappy Bird. Bottomless snake on Christmas dinner. The slowest spaceship in history. This some kind of sorting game? I don't know. Awesome. I absolutely love everything. So it happened that I had to make a review for Divoom while traveling, so I have to take it everywhere with me now. And it is so unnecessary during travel. And I love it even more for it. Every time I put it on the table and look at it, it just feels like something you would totally have only at home. If you are not insane, of course, unlike me. So it gives that cozy home feeling. And it is so important when you spend a lot of time outside of your comfort zone, of your comfort home place. I think if I went to university right now, I would totally bring this thing with me to the dorm or the apartment. It feels absolutely unnecessary and essential at the same time. The only thing I absolutely need in this little computer though, and I think it would bring it to the next level, is Tamagotchi. Like little pixel pet living inside the TV. That would be just mind-blowing. Well, as I think at least. And in the end, I want to say that I absolutely love it. Is it practical? Not so much. Is it cute, beautiful, and fun? Absolutely yes. If you want to support me to do more of this kind of content and also to get an access to all of my poses, references, and step-by-step tutorials, consider supporting me on Patreon.
Thank you for your patronage.
Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.